In this video, we'll work through the process of deciding what to grow in your garden. Hello and welcome to another lifeonourhomestead.com gardening video. My name is John, and if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow a successful garden, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell icon so you don't miss anything. In the last video, we covered understanding what makes your garden unique. Now comes the fun part in deciding what to grow. From research, you know your growing days and soil conditions and sun exposure. All of this information will make plant selection much easier. The first step in deciding what to grow is identifying what your family already eats. What do you buy from the store? What items do you enjoy buying fresh at the farmer's market? If your cucumbers go bad because you never eat them, then growing several bushels a year will not change that. So the first step in planning your garden around your family eating habits. That being said, it's always fun to experiment with something new each year and see if it becomes a family favorite. The next step in deciding what to grow is identifying if you plan on consuming the vegetables fresh from the garden or preserving them for the winter months, or in some cases both. This decision will help you decide on what cultivars or varieties of plants you select and what quantity. Some cultivars are good for eating fresh, while some are good for canning. Cucumbers, for example, have varieties that are best for pickling, and others that are better be consumed fresh from the garden, say in a salad. Tomatoes are also the same. The tomatoes you preserve work best to be uniform and medium in size. However, if you want that prize BLT or summer barbecue tomato, a larger slicing tomato is best. The next step in deciding what to grow is compile an ingredient list for your favorite recipes. Are you looking to have all the components for a fresh garden salsa, or do you want summer salad vegetables? Personally, I like both those options, so it doesn't have to be an either or. Identify what you need to meet your goals, and then what will help you identify your quantity. The last step is to learn about the vegetables that you want to grow. What are the growing requirements? Can you grow them in your environment? From previous videos, we gathered the data. Now we need to apply it to the plants that we want to grow. In the next two videos, we will look at how to research plants and read the seed packets. So now you have some homework to do. Using the online tools and knowing what your family will eat, identify the plants that you want to grow in your garden. We will use this list later in the series when doing seed selection, start selection, and garden layout. If you want to learn more about how to grow a successful garden, start now by hitting the subscribe icon so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. Now go enjoy your garden, and I'll see you next time.